PayPal is next. New York, NASDAQ listed. I think people may be familiar with this one. You put value into the system and then you can in fact buy things online and deal and so on and so forth. And it's really, I suppose, developed in the US because in some senses people weren't winning with their online activities and felt the need to create a separate digital wallet. Big company though, $60.7 billion, pre-E ratio of 41.97, not a dividend payer. Elon Musk was involved with starting this company.
Yes, I think he saw the gap in payments. I don't think he's involved anymore.
I don't think anymore. He took the money out and used that to bankroll his other things.
It's actually a little bit weird because most of the things that he does now are a little bit more it's a little bit more out there and
Rockets,
all about saving humanity.
Cars,
and I don't really see how PayPal saved humanity. It might have just been a good investment.
Yeah, I think they bought a business that he had started with some friends, including Peter Thiel. Anyway, we're getting distracted again. What about this one? Because it's an alternative. Somebody sent me a check, a US company sent me a check for some minor work that I was doing as part of an online project.
Yeah.
A check literally for $500.
They still use checks
in America. They posted that to Johannesburg.
Yes.
So now what am I supposed to do with my check?
I don't know what to do with a check.
Deposit into a US account at some point. But it would have been better if they'd sent it to me as a PayPal thing, because then I could have actually used that to buy something somewhere or make a charitable donation or something.
Yeah, I think PayPal hasn't really been adopted as strongly in a country like South Africa where card penetration is pretty high and people are pretty comfortable paying online via credit card. But I think in the US, people wanted an alternative solution to actually just typing in all your...
And remember, it used to be part of eBay. eBay spun it off, but that's where it really was useful, is people had a PayPal account, then they could actually conveniently exchange value when they're doing buying and selling of those kind of private deals.
Yeah, I think they still make up 60% of eBay's payments.
And they do have a very close relationship though with Visa. So if you are trying to pay with something and only PayPal is available, you can kind of get through the thing.
Yeah.
Okay, it looks good. How does the share chart look? A little bit less. Oh, no, there we go. On the far right there, you can see it just gets a little bit of a lift. So it must be benefiting from the same kind of excitement about the trend, huh?
Yeah, I mean, this company will probably be also supported by, thematically, by everything that we mentioned earlier with MasterCard and Visa. But I'm just not as convinced over like the point of PayPal as I am.
I wonder if one of the other companies like a Visa or MasterCard may not acquire them at some point.
Yeah,
although the problem there is it would be like they're immediately in competition with its other partners.
Exactly, because PayPal also partners with MasterCard. But what's interesting about something like that is you've got Visa, who have also tried to do their own kind of e-wallet, as well as MasterCard with Masterpass. And that really hasn't gained a lot of traction. And PayPal's peer-to-peer payment system, as well as person-to-business payment system, has gained a lot of traction. It's very popular in the US. So there might be scope for that, or perhaps Visa and MasterCard will leave their kind of
leave it to them.
Their systems and
so hot or not?
Them. I'm not 100% convinced, and I think probably 40 times PE. It also unwinds around 25 times. But it's just very difficult not to say hot.
Yes, because the industry is so attractive and everything's kind of powering ahead. So I'm going to go hot anyway.
Yes.
So we go hot anyway?
Hot anyway.
Okay, good.